Joe's Garage, and today this spoiler is getting exchanged for a high tail spoiler, a high wing spoiler, whatever you actually call it. I'm not exactly sure. But we got an aftermarket. The OEM was on constraint, so we got that. So here we are. We've now lifted the car up. We've got our quick jacks. I've got it on the low setting right now just because I want to be able to get to all the T-screws that are up here. But if we look in here, we've taken off the splash guard and mud flap, a couple T-screws here, taking that off, pull this back here, and if we look up in here, you may be able to see there's 3 screws. There's 2 7mm and 1 10mm screw. The 10mm one is a real bear to get to from what everybody says. I'm gonna get in there now with my handy dandy electric ratchet. This bad boy. And hopefully I get that right off. So we'll see. All right, guys, here's the final product. Got the high tail spoiler on. Looks insane. It looks beautiful. It's very sturdy. I also put on mud guards, extended mud guards. Those things look pretty badass. Gives it a little more width and it protects the paint. Man, I'm very excited. I also painted in there with some high heat paint. When I pulled away the wheel well liner, there's some silver heat guard in there. Painted that black with high heat paint because it just looked silvery and I just wanted it to look black, and it looks really sweet. Like, share, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions. It was an interesting time and it was a fun time.